Okay, guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called the Jomtien Palm Beach Hotel and Resort and is located on Jomtien Beach on the north end, right at the turn where you go into Pattaya. It's actually a really nice location, in my opinion, and it's right opposite the beach. This is a very old hotel, as you can see. The bed really old, but it was comfortable. And I got a bonus bed. Big rooms, interesting view, dirty windows. Guess not much they can do about that. But you do get to see the beach, at least from the room I had. Mini bar, coffee and tea making supplies, 2 bottles of water, and a couple of cold ones in the fridge. Not very much. Enough to get you started, I guess. Bathroom, really nice actually. I was quite impressed. The shower was awesome. But you know, she's a old hotel when there's a phone next to the toilet. It's got a tub and a shower stall. Of course, I didn't use the tub. I don't know if it was good or not. But the shower was really good. This hotel is considered 4 stars on Agoda. It has a rating of 8.0 out of 10, which is pretty good. And that's based on 6,600 reviews. It cost me 1,800 baht for the night, which included breakfast. Customer service, I give customer service 5 out of 5. Very professional, very easy check-in, no issues at all. Parking, not a lot of parking, not at least right there. Maybe there's parking somewhere else. There wasn't many vehicles there, even though the hotel was sold out that night. Really big hotel, yeah. Looks pretty good on the outside, considering it is really old. And its best feature by far, in my opinion, is the pool and the surrounding area. It's absolutely beautiful pool. The thing is huge. Like, look at the size of it, yeah? It's everywhere. I stayed in this hotel in April of 2023. And like I said, it was busy and it was sold out the night I was there. And the lady said this, it was booked solid for 2 or 3 days in a row. So it's a busy place, popular place. As you can see, Beach Road and the ocean is right there. Plenty of restaurants around there as well, within walking distance. I will put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check out the availability and the cost on your dates. Quite a few hotels in this area. For me, this is probably the best location of all of them. Breakfast, this area is huge and tons of food. Everything I tried was really, really good, but the amount of selection was surprising. And like I said, the hotel is big, it was full, and lots of food available, at least when I was there. Eggs cooked to order. At least the omelets were cooked to order. The fried eggs were cooked in the back somewhere. That's what I had. It was really good. Getting to the $1 million question, would I stay in this hotel again? Absolutely. It is an old hotel, but it's a good hotel. Location's good. Breakfast was really good. Surprising, actually, for a Thailand hotel. Price reasonable. Maybe if you book a little bit in advance, you can get a better deal. I booked the day before. As you can see, this breakfast area is huge. The lobby is huge as well. It's so big, in fact, it has a bowling alley in it. It's big, yeah? And people are using the bowling alley. This is in the morning, right after breakfast. Some people might need a little more practice. I don't know if you have to pay to use this or not, or how it all works, but a unique thing to see in a hotel, that's for sure. Well, that's it, guys. That's my review based on when I was there. Like I said, old hotel, but a good one, reasonable price, awesome location. Like I said, I'll put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check out availability and price on your dates. And as always, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it.